Welcome back to Goat Farming Insights, where we provide you with valuable information on keeping your goats healthy and thriving. In today's video, we'll be covering the A to Z of goat health, addressing 10 common health issues that goat farmers often encounter and discussing effective treatments and solutions for each one. Let's dive in. Point 1. Parasites are a common concern in goat farming. To combat them, it's essential to establish a regular deworming schedule using appropriate anthelmintics. Anthelmintics are a type of medicine that kills helminths. Helminths being worm-like parasites such as flukes, roundworms and tapeworms. It is important that anthelmintics are selectively toxic to the parasite and not the host. Additionally, practicing pasture rotation and maintaining clean living environments can help minimize parasite infestations. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the most effective deworming protocol for your goats. Point 2. Pneumonia can be a serious respiratory issue for goats. Prevention is key here, focusing on good ventilation, proper nutrition and vaccination against respiratory pathogens. If pneumonia does occur, timely administration of antibiotics as prescribed by a veterinarian is crucial. Provide a warm and dry shelter for affected goats and ensure they have access to clean water and a balanced diet to support their recovery. Point 3. Foot rot can cause discomfort and lameness in goats. Regular hoof trimming, keeping the living area dry, and providing clean bedding are preventive measures. When foot rot is present, treating affected hooves with antiseptic solutions, applying topical medications and providing proper hoof care can aid in healing. Consult with a hoof care specialist or veterinarian for guidance on effective treatment methods. Point 4. Diarrhea in goats can have various causes, including dietary changes, bacterial infections, and internal parasites. Maintaining a balanced diet, ensuring access to clean water, and administering appropriate medications, such as probiotics or antiparasitics, can help resolve diarrhea. If the condition persists or worsens, consult with a veterinarian for further diagnosis and treatment options. Point 5. Bloat occurs when gas accumulates in a goat's rumen, causing discomfort and potentially life-threatening conditions. Providing a balanced diet with adequate fiber, preventing sudden diet changes and promptly addressing any signs of bloat through administration of bloat release products or seeking veterinary assistance are essential. Understanding the early signs of bloat, such as distended abdomen and discomfort, can help you take immediate action. Point 6. Mastitis, an infection of the mammary gland, can affect lactating does. You could also say mastitis refers to an infection in the mammary gland of a lactating doe, female goat. Mastitis can cause inflammation, swelling, and pain in the udder, making it difficult for the doe to produce milk and negatively impacting the overall health of both the doe and her kids. It is a common health issue in dairy goats and requires prompt diagnosis and appropriate treatment to prevent further complications and ensure the doe's well-being and milk production. Practicing proper hygiene during milking, regularly inspecting udders for signs of inflammation, and promptly treating mastitis with antibiotics and supportive care are vital for maintaining udder health and milk quality. Consult with a veterinarian for guidance on proper milking techniques and effective mastitis treatment protocols. Point 7. Coccidiosis is a common gastrointestinal disease in goats caused by a parasite. Proper sanitation, separating different age groups, and administering coccidiostats or natural alternatives can help prevent and manage coccidiosis. Regularly monitor the fecal matter of your goats and consult with a veterinarian for accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment options if coccidiosis is suspected. Point 8. Ketosis, also known as pregnancy toxemia, can occur in pregnant or lactating does. Providing a balanced diet, monitoring body condition, and providing nutritional support, such as propylene glycol, can help prevent and manage ketosis. Consult with a veterinarian for guidance on proper nutrition and preventive measures to support the health of your pregnant or lactating goats. Point 9. Goats are prone to external injuries, such as cuts, scrapes, and wounds.
Promptly cleaning and disinfecting the wound, applying appropriate wound care products and monitoring for signs of infection are essential for proper healing. Consult with a veterinarian for guidance on wound care and use of topical treatments or dressings to promote healing and prevent complications.
Point 10. Vitamin deficiencies can affect goat health and productivity. Ensuring a well-balanced diet, including access to fresh forage, quality feed, and appropriate mineral supplements, can help prevent vitamin deficiencies and support overall health. Consult with a veterinarian or a livestock nutritionist to develop a nutrition plan that meets the specific needs of your goats and addresses any potential vitamin deficiencies. And there you have it, the A to Z of goat health and effective treatments for common health issues. Remember, it's crucial to work closely with a veterinarian to ensure accurate diagnoses and appropriate treatment plans for your goats. By being proactive in your goat health management, you can prevent and address these health issues, ensuring the well-being and productivity of your herd. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow goat enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on goat farming and goat health. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and may your goat farming journey be successful and rewarding.